Hey, Lockdock here to share some tips and tricks with you on installing the PemKonnect full Mortise Modular hinge. The modular design allows for easy shipping and storage, saving you money. Even with its compact design, it can still be used anywhere a continuous hinge is needed, and once installed, it'll operate the same way. So first, we're going to measure the door. If the hinge needs to be shortened, as ours does here, we're going to cut it from the bottom only. Now this is a big factor because you want to cut it on the bottom so that you don't get any of the shavings inside of the gears. But once you do that, here's a reminder, this will make the continuous hinge handed. So double check that you've got the correct section before you cut it. Fit all the hinge sections together by sliding the extended hinge cap over the hinge gear. This will ensure the weight is evenly distributed. A 3-piece modular hinge fits together in the same way, but it has an additional 12-inch section in the middle. Here's a tip for you. Use the blue tape provided with the fasteners to attach the frame leaf sections together. This will make it easier to position the leaf sections in the frame. Let's make sure that we leave 1/8 of an inch between the header and the top of the frame leaf for door clearance. We'll now position the frame leaf of the hinge in the frame in the open position. We'll mark and pre-drill the top 2 holes plus some additional holes along the frame. We recommend using the holes on either side of the hinge seams and one at the bottom. These additional holes will ensure we don't warp the frame leaf when we're testing the fit. Now we're going to take the hinge sections and install them on the door, making sure they're flush with the top. Once we've installed it, position the door and hinge in at 90 degrees to the frame. You're going to shim the door to line it up with your pre-drilled holes and install the screws in the holes we pre-drilled in the earlier step. After thoroughly cleaning the geared joint, let's close the door and check for clearance and fit, making some final adjustments as needed. All that's left is to mark and drill the remaining holes in the frame leaf and install the remaining screws.